On March 6, 2009, NASA launched a Delta II rocket into space. On board was a new telescope, named in honor of German astronomer Johann Kepler. The space-based telescope was designed specifically to discover the existence of Earth-like planets located outside our own solar system. The Kepler search is focused on a specific section of the Milky Way, known as Orion's Spur.
Kepler's job is to answer the question, how common are other Earths? And to do this, Kepler is looking at one part of the sky for 3.5 years.
And what they're doing is they're looking at stars, and then as a planet goes around that star, when the planet gets in front of the starlight dims just a little bit from our vantage point because it's being blocked by the planet. And so you look for that dimming of those stars, and then that's how you're able to detect these planets.
Once a planet has been located, scientists must then determine if it might contain water. To determine if a planet contains water and possibly life, scientists use special telescopes to analyze its atmosphere.
We look at the light coming from the planet, and we split that light up, like a rainbow. Now, if you look at a rainbow in the sky and you look really, really carefully, you will see some dark lines. You'll see some colors missing from the rainbow. And those colors are missing because of absorption by gases in Earth's atmosphere. So effectively, we're getting a rainbow from another planet, and we're looking for dark lines that tell us what kind of gases are in the atmosphere.
Our atmosphere is not stable without living organisms. It would have evaporated away by now. And so if you're looking out in space and you detect around a star a signature of the chemicals that we know exist for life, that's very strong evidence that life is there. Now, it doesn't help you know if it's intelligent life, but it does give you an evidence for life.
But while the Kepler telescope has only just begun scanning the horizon, NASA is already planning the next step in its search for extraterrestrial life: the 2014 launch of the James Webb Space Telescope.
The fascinating thing for me is that we're only 4.5 billion years old in a universe that's close to 14 billion years old. What would happen with some of these Earth-like planets that had a 5 or 10 billion year head start on us? Gosh, you can only imagine.